Listen, if you're watching this right now, it's not because you're lazy. It's because you're distracted, and that distraction has been slowing you down for years. You know exactly what you want: a better life, a stronger body, more money, more confidence, a version of you that actually wakes up proud of himself. But here's the truth: nobody ever told you clearly. Ambition means nothing if your habits are weak. You say you want success, but your daily actions don't match your dreams. And deep inside, you feel that gap. It's uncomfortable, it eats you alive, and it makes you think something is wrong with you. But nothing is wrong with you. You're not broken. You're not unmotivated. You're simply living in a world built to steal your attention before you even notice it's gone. And that's why I want you to hear this carefully. You don't need a big transformation. You just need to take one real step today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, not after I feel ready. Because action has a strange power. The moment you start moving even a small step, your brain wakes up. Your confidence rises. Your focus sharpens. You feel alive again. And suddenly, success doesn't look impossible anymore. It becomes a habit. Think about this. Every successful person you admire is not better than you. They're not smarter than you. They're not more talented. They just got tired of wasting their own potential, and they started taking action even on the days they didn't feel like it. That's the only difference. So let me ask you something simple. When will you get tired of watching your potential sit in the corner waiting for you? Not in a rude way, but in a real way. Because you are capable of so much more than the life you're living right now. You can feel it. You know it. I know it. The only thing standing between your ambition and your reality is the next 10 minutes of your life. Do something, anything that reconnects you with the version of yourself that you keep imagining. Because that version is still in you. Take action today, repeat it tomorrow. Make discipline your habit, not your punishment. And watch how fast your life changes once your daily actions finally match your dreams. You don't need motivation, you need momentum. And today is the day you take it back. And before you leave, listen carefully. Save this video and come back to it again and again. Your brain doesn't transform from one burst of motivation. It transforms through repeated reminders. Every time you replay this, you strengthen the mindset that destroys excuses, rewires discipline, and pulls you back to your highest self. Watch it whenever you slip, whenever distraction gets loud, or whenever you forget who you're trying to become. Remember, the power to change lies within you. Keep coming back to this video and let it fuel your journey towards greatness. Save, replay, and rise. I hope you got this.